Hello everyone, it's Umar bin Hussein and you are watching Mandarin Point. Today is our third lesson for learning Chinese strokes, which are the basic foundation or basic components of Chinese language. Before proceeding to today's lesson, let's review what we have studied in previous two lessons because it is important. In the first video, we have studied basic strokes that include hang, shu, pie, na, tian, ti. Okay. Then we have studied those strokes which have a hook with these basic strokes like hang guo, shu guo, wen guo, xie guo, wo guo. So this guo is representing this hook. And the second point to note is that this one guo has a hook at the left side while this xie guo has hook at the right side. And then we have studied those strokes which have a sharp angle, a right turn with those basic 6 strokes. For example, this horizontal stroke with a right turn, hang zhi. This vertical stroke with a right turn, shu zhi. This pie left falling stroke, pie zhi. And this one is pie tian. And that one is hang pie. These two strokes are combination of those 6 strokes, and this one is also the combination of those basic 6 strokes but with a right turn with it. So till now we are clear that if there is a hook we call it guo, and if there is a sharp angle or right turn we call it zhi, and if there is a bend or curve we call it wan. So now is the right time to start our today's lesson. I have named it complex strokes because these are relatively complex, but don't worry, we will study it in an optimized way. Okay, here is our first stroke. Horizontal stroke, right turn, a rising stroke. Hang zhi ti. Okay, hang zhi ti. Let's find out an example. Hang zhi ti, hang zhi ti, hang zhi ti. Let's move towards next. Here is our second one. Horizontal stroke, right turn, and a hook. Hang zhi guo, hang zhi guo, hang zhi guo, hang zhi guo, hang zhi guo. Okay. The third one. Horizontal stroke, right turn or sharp turn, and then a curve on right side with a hook at the end. So this curve at right side with a hook at the end, it means it is xie guo. So both of these are connected together with this sharp turn which is named as zhi. So it is hang zhi xie guo, hang zhi xie guo, hang zhi xie guo, hang zhi xie guo, hang zhi xie guo. It is a horizontal stroke. It is sharp turn. So it is hang zhi. This one has a hook at the end. So it is guo. But this is a bend. It is a bend. And what we call this bend? Wan. So it is hang zhi wan guo, hang zhi wan guo, hang zhi wan guo, hang zhi wan guo, hang zhi. It is a hang. This is right turn, and it is a bend, but no hook at the end. So it is hang zhi wan, hang zhi wan. Okay, hang zhi wan, hang zhi wan, hang zhi wan. It is a horizontal stroke. It is right turn. and then right turn. Okay, so it is hang zhi zhi, hang zhi zhi, hang zhi zhi, hang zhi zhi. Okay, the next one, horizontal stroke, sharp turn, and this one is left falling, doesn't it? Pie, so it is hang zhi zhi pie, hang zhi zhi pie, hang zhi zhi pie, hang zhi zhi pie. The next one, it looks little bit complex, but if you just concentrate, it would be very easy for you. Horizontal stroke, right turn, right turn, right turn, hang zhi zhi zhi. So many zhi. So you can find it over here. Hang zhi zhi zhi. The next one, yes, this one is a little bit different. Horizontal stroke, left falling, then a curve with a hook at the end. Hang pie one go, hang pie one go, hang pie one go. Okay, hang pie one go, hang pie one go, hang pie one go. Okay, the next one, horizontal stroke, sharp turn, and then turn with a hook at the end. Hang zhi 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 guo, hang zhi 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 guo, hang zhi 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 guo. So hang zhi 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 guo. The next one, shu zhi pie, shu zhi pie. Horizontal stroke, sharp turn, and left falling. It is shu zhi pie, and this one is tian, and this is hang hang. Shu zhi pie, shu zhi pie. The next one, very simple, vertical stroke, bend, and a hook at the end. So it is shu one go, shu one go, shu one go, shu one go. And here comes the last one, vertical stroke, sharp turn, and a hook at the end. So it is shu zhi zhi guo, shu zhi zhi guo, shu zhi zhi guo, shu zhi zhi guo. Let's do exercise for this lesson. We have 6 characters and we have to decompose all of these characters into their basic strokes. Here is mu meaning tree, chi 7, b compare, g oneself, jin towel, who door. To crack all of these characters into their basic strokes, what I need from you is your common sense. Your common sense must tell you that how many strokes does each character have. For example, look at this character and we can easily identify this character has 2 strokes, 1 2. This character 1 2 3. So let's crack them one by one. Here we have mu meaning tree. Just look at it, 1 2 3 4 strokes. This stroke is horizontal stroke that we have studied in previous lesson. This is horizontal stroke that we have studied in our previous lesson, shu, and this is left falling, pie, this is right falling, na, So this character is composed of 4 strokes: 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. When these are added together in a proper way, this gonna make this move tree. Okay, let's crack the next one. Here we have B to compare. How many strokes does this character have? 1, 2, 3, and this 4. Vertical stroke and a rising. The second one is horizontal stroke. The third one is this left falling, and the fourth one is vertical stroke, a bend with a hook. Shu wan guo, shu wan guo. When all of these strokes shu ti hang pie shu wan guo, these are put together, this is gonna make B, meaning compare. Let's crack the third one. Very simple, just 2 strokes, this and this. So this one again is a horizontal stroke, and this one is again vertical bend with a hook. Shu wan guo. When these are put together, this is gonna make chi, meaning 7. How many strokes does this character have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 strokes, tian, hang, zhi, hang, pie. When these are put together, this is gonna make hu, meaning door. This one is again very simple. This is vertical stroke and this is vertical stroke. How about it? Horizontal stroke, sharp turn, and a hook. So hang, zhi, guo. And the last one, it's again very simple, just 3 strokes, but I'm not gonna disclose it. So you have to disclose it by yourself and write it in comment box. That's all about our today's lesson. In next lesson we will practice all of these strokes by writing different characters and decomposing them. If you like my videos, please subscribe it. See you in next lesson.